Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to make Pappu Charu or also known as Dal Rasam. So for that, put instant pot on saute mode high and add oil. I'm adding 1 tablespoon to 2 tablespoons of oil. So once the oil is hot, add half teaspoon of cumin seeds, half teaspoon of mustard seeds, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 sprig of curry leaves, one broken red chili and 3 to 4 crushed garlic cloves. So fry well. Meanwhile, I am going to take a 1-inch sized tamarind ball and soak it in hot water to extract the tamarind juice. So after 2 minutes, I am going to add half of an onion, and 2 slit green chilies. You can adjust the green chilies to your taste. Fry for another 2 minutes. So after 2 minutes, I am adding 2 small tomatoes chopped. Fry for another 2 minutes. So it's been 2 minutes. The tomatoes are nice and mushy. I'm going to add the tamarind extract. Salt to taste. 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. Mix well. I'm also going to add red chili powder to taste. So I have taken 1 cup of dal and 3 cups of water, which I'm going to add now. Mix well. So now turn off the saute mode and put the lid. Vent to sealing position and do manual high 10 minutes. So it's been 10 minutes in warm mode. I'm going to do quick release. So the dal is very well cooked, as you can see. Garnish with cilantro. Instant pot Pappu Charu or Dal Rasam is ready. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video, please like this video, subscribe to my channel and share this with your friends. And I will see you again with a new video. Thanks for watching. Bye.